Hello, welcome to the 14th video in the FLTK Rust series. This video is just to demonstrate the rest of the feature flags that can be used with the FLTK crate. So we've already seen several of these, basically the systemlib.png, systemlib.jpg, systemzlib, and the FLTK bundled in previous videos. And we've also seen the enable GL window in the update to 0.8.0. The other important features that I would like to also share with you are the FLTK Shared and the Use Ninja. So Ninja is a build system for C and C++. It's cross-platform. The FLTK crate uses CMake to generate the build files. Usually the default is to generate platform-specific build files. That means on Windows it generates Visual Studio projects. For macOS it's Unix makefiles. For MinGW it's MinGW makefiles, and for Linux it's also Unix makefiles. However, Ninja is cross-platform, so CMake can also generate Ninja build files. The advantage of Ninja is that it's small and it's focused on speed. Of course, you can't assume that every one of your users has Ninja installed, so that's why it's not included by default, or it's not added by default. However, it's easy to install. Basically, you can either build it from source using CMake, or the Python, or the Python script, and they have also releases which are in the form of zip files. You can download the zip file and install it basically, or add the path to Ninja to your environment variable, the path environment variable, so it can be invoked directly using the Ninja command. So of course here we don't have a build Ninja file, and you can see actually I've built this project. It's a previous tutorial in release mode on Microsoft Windows 10, and it took basically 2 minutes from source. If this were using Visual Studio files, it would take 4 to 5 minutes, so it's more than 50% reduction in the build times. On Linux distributions, you can also use sudo apt-get install Ninja build. And it's already installed. On macOS, I think you can install it using Homebrew. So I'm actually the other feature I wanted to also discuss is the FLTK Shared. So I've built this project, if you remember from a previous episode, basically comparing the binary sizes of the statically built binaries or applications using the FLTK crate. So this is basically the our editor example, which you've seen the previous videos. It's basically 1 megabytes if it's built statically. So here you can see that after building it in release mode with the dynamic linking to the FLTK libraries, it's only 186 kilobytes. So the advantage of dynamic linking is that if you have FLTK already installed in your system, or if you're deploying more than one application using the FLTK libraries, you can basically just get the size of the shared library, which is basically this one, 1.5 megabytes, and then all your applications will be basically 100 and something kilobytes. So there's an advantage in that. So that's basically it for the for these two features. The rest of the features, basically the system FLTK is if you already have FLTK, if you've already installed it using a package manager, or you've built FLTK yourself and installed it into a system path, that means something for Unix like operating system, something in user include or user local include. These are system paths. Sorry. If it's installed in a system path, you can use the system FLTK, which would usually just link to the already installed FLTK library. The Rust, there's a feature for legacy OpenGL for systems with OpenGL 1 point something, 1.3 I think, and if you don't enable this feature flag, it usually targets OpenGL 3 or 4, and that's basically it for the features that are available in the FLTK crate. Another last thing, just before we go, if you wanted to deploy a dynamically linked application such as this one, you will also need to also deploy the binary, which can be found in the output directory under build and then cfltk.dll. This is on one single DLL file, or on Unix or Mac OS it would be an SO file, which can also be deployed along with your application to basically, if you need to deploy more than one application, for example. That was basically it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully I'll be making more videos soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.